Hi everybody, welcome back to GreyBeard Media. We're back at Anfield Road for another update on the expansion progress. 9th of August, Friday 2024. It's a very windy today, nearly 30 mile an hour. I have got my drone with me, but I won't be flying. Plus the no-fly zone is still over Anfield, well, most of it. I was going to fly because I've got some special footage for you. Stay tuned for that. The cladding on the side near the main stand is nearly complete. There's not a lot left to do, so that'll be later in the video. If you like what you see, click like, share, subscribe. I won't get the drone up. See you after the intro. Welcome back everyone, we're just outside the Anfield Road stand. Fan zone is open, but we're going to have a look, the camera around. I don't know if you can see in there, obviously there's cherry pickers, not cherry pickers, little platforms, but they're not in use or nothing. Signage, cameras, but I'm not certain about the big screens if they're up yet. I mean, there's a bit of a clean-up going on around Anfield Road. Had the road cleaner, jet washing where the forever stones were. Obviously, still up work to be done above the window, and the windows, the SKD stand side, where there's like a brick missing on each. But we're going to have a quick look at those forever stones because they were washing them down when I was walking up not long ago. So, have a look, shall we? When I was with that fan lady who came to search for a forever stone a couple of days ago, I'm the one who actually found the stone for her, and when she found it she was kicking off. She spoke to one of the workers there saying, "Who do I complain to? This isn't acceptable." So it is what it is. We're going to turn the camera around, have a quick look. As we walk through to the forever stones, recently been jet washed. Well, if you can say jet washed, but still waiting for the next two legends to have their faces added to the area of the forever stones. There are the two windows still in question, with the missing bricks at the top. The wall, Stanley House, is looking brilliant. It looks great, doesn't it? A lot better than what was there before. That looks great, fantastic. So all in all, I don't really need a drone for this update, to be fair. Too windy, I wouldn't have been allowed to go over the pitch. So follow me inside, let's go and check in on the join up. Let's go and check in on the cladding situation. See you in there all. Welcome back everyone, we are in the stadium. On the main stand gantry. We're going to check in on the jobs they're doing. And inside of the Anfield Road stand, cladding is coming along really good. There's not a lot left to be done. As you can see, the big section that's already been put on place. There's a few sections at the end there, and a tiny little bit in the corner, and then some straight sections on that side there, over the other side of Anfield Road. There's not a lot of cladding to be done over there either, but that will be done after this section here is completed. We scroll down the tier join up. The work is ongoing by the guys in the middle there. But it looks like we've gone all the way along now with that tier sections that have been put in place. I'm not sure if we're going to see any seats in front of those windows, possibly. That's what I'm looking out for next. But it's looking brilliant, isn't it? It's looking more complete by the day. We'll have a quick glance at the pitch while we're here from this angle. If you zoom back out, all the markings are on place and the goalposts are standing but not really in place, are they? So it's worth coming in and showing you an update on the cladding situation. I'll just turn the camera around quickly. There's a guy on the roof at the top there. So really, I think they've done really well with the cladding. We never saw the cherry picker in the end, did we? It was all done by rope. So not much to do, but will it be done before the first pre-season friendly? I don't believe so. But we'll see you on the ground. I'm doing a little video from there. Catch you in a while. You're just walking through where the players enter the pitch. Towards the pitch. Turn the camera around. Some clatter from this situation. It does look nearly done, doesn't it? The odd little bits here or there. Try and give you the footage from all angles. Hospitality, there's work going on inside still. You see the guy just through the window. And of course that little bit of cladding left to do there. And a really close up for the pitch. It's looking immaculate, isn't it? Anfield is always renowned for having world-class pitches, and for the money it costs, thousands and thousands. It's right by the cop end now. I'm going to give you an extra close-up of the seats, and it looks absolutely brilliant. So we scroll across and zoom in a bit more. That's how the cop is looking. World class stand, isn't it? And we all want it bigger, don't we? That was an indication for you all of how far along with the cladding situation you are. Doing the underneath section by the main stand there, and as you can tell, there's not a lot left to be done on that side. A few little sections on the upright part that needs putting in, but on that big like triangle part, not a lot left. And then I think I'll move across to the SKD stand side and finish off that little part there. And as you can see, Anfield Road, there's a few workers about today. Probably didn't get the best view of the tier join up, but there was a few guys doing jobs. I did try and have a look through the glass as well, and there's guys inside hospitality. So work is ongoing around Anfield Road inside, and odd little bits happening outside. I think we're going to wrap this one up here all. Hope you enjoyed a different kind of update. No drone, but you don't need a drone for this one. Don't forget to click like, share, subscribe. The jobs are getting completed, or are getting close to completion at Anfield Road. Cladding, we've finally seen the end in sight. See you for the next one all. Wherever you are in the world, enjoy the rest of your day or night. Please push me with a like and subscriptions, and share the hell out of it, please. Keep pushing me. Thank you so much. See you for the next video, all. Bye for now.